You're ready to buy your first home in 2025, but where do you even start? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a first-time home buyer, you do not want to skip this video. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of buying a home in 2025, from saving for your down payment to getting those keys in your hand. Stick around because I'll also share some insider tips to help you avoid costly mistakes and save thousands in the process. Ready? Let's jump in. Step 1. Check your financial health. Before you even think about house hunting, you need to check your financial foundation. Check your credit score. Lenders want to see a score of 620 plus for conventional loans, but higher scores 740 plus get the best interest rates. Pro tip: use free tools like Credit Karma to monitor your score. If it's low, work on paying off debts and avoiding late payments. Save for a down payment. Most people think they need 20% down, but that's not always true. FHA loans allow as little as 3.5% down, and some VA and USDA loans require $0 down. Pro tip: first-time buyer programs may help cover your down payment. More on that later. Check your debt-to-income ratio, DTI. This is how lenders decide how much home you can afford. Keep your DTI below 43% for better loan approval odds. Get pre-approved. This is a game changer. Pre-approval shows sellers you're serious and gives you a realistic budget. Step 2. Define your home buying goals. Buying a home is a huge investment, so you need to know what's your must-have list. Bedrooms, location, yard, etc. What's your budget? Remember, it's not just the price, it's taxes, insurance, and maintenance too. How long do you plan to stay? Short-term buyers may want to consider resale value. Pro tip: use online mortgage calculators to estimate your monthly payment before falling in love with a home outside your budget. Step 3. Find the right real estate agent. A great agent makes a huge difference in getting a deal versus overpaying. Look for a buyer's agent. They work for you, not the seller. Check reviews, ask for referrals, and interview multiple agents. Make sure they understand your needs and local market trends. Pro tip: a good agent will negotiate on your behalf, help you find off-market deals, and walk you through the entire process. Step 4. Start house hunting. Now the fun part, but don't get caught up in the excitement. Stay smart and strategic. Visit homes in person. Photos can be deceiving. Pay attention to the neighborhood, commute time, and nearby amenities. Check for red flags. Look for water damage, foundation cracks, and outdated electrical or plumbing. Understand market trends. Is it a buyer's or seller's market? This will affect pricing and competition. Pro tip: go to open houses and ask lots of questions about the home's condition, history, and maintenance. Step 5. Make an offer and negotiate. So, you found the one. Now, let's secure the best deal. Submit an offer. Your agent will help you draft an offer based on comparable sales in the area. Negotiate smartly. Sellers might counter, so be ready to negotiate price, closing costs, or repairs. Offer contingencies. Protect yourself with conditions like home inspections and financing approval. Pro tip: in hot markets, be prepared to move quickly, but never waive the inspection just to win a bidding war. Step 6. Get a home inspection and appraisal. Even if the house looks perfect, you need an inspection to uncover hidden issues. Home inspection identifies problems like roof leaks, plumbing issues, or foundation concerns. Appraisal confirms the home's value matches what you're paying. If the appraisal comes in low, you may need to renegotiate. Pro tip: if major issues come up, you can back out or ask for repairs before closing. Step 7. Closing the deal. You're almost there. Closing is the final step before getting the keys. Final loan approval. The lender double checks your finances before finalizing. Sign closing documents. You'll review and sign mortgage papers, title documents, and insurance policies. Closing costs. Typically 2 to 5% of the home price, covering lender fees, title insurance, and prepaid taxes. Pro tip: ask the seller for closing cost assistance. It could save you thousands. Step 8. Move in and celebrate. Congratulations, you're a homeowner. Change the locks for security. Set up utilities and address changes before moving day. Enjoy your new home. Pro tip: don't rush into big renovations right away. Live in the space first and plan upgrades smartly. And that's it, your complete step-by-step guide to buying your first home in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video on hidden costs of buying a home in 2025. See you next time.